I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device on Adyen can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Access your Adyen account. Log into your Adyen account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to add devices. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and find Device Management. This is where you can manage all your devices. Step 3. Add new device. Click on the Add Device button. You will be prompted to enter details such as the device name type and any specific settings required for your new device. Step 4. Configure settings. After adding the device, configure the necessary settings. This may include payment methods, security settings, and integration options. Double check that you've selected the right payment types for your business. Step 5. Save and test. Finally, save your settings and test the device to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by processing a small transaction to verify everything is set up properly. If you encounter any issues during testing, double check the device settings and ensure it is connected to the internet. Happy connecting!